Not enough storage to install your new games into your PlayStation 5? Well, today we're going to change that. Guys, take your screwdriver and let's start. Let's begin with the things that you're going to need to install an M.2 drive into your PlayStation 5. A Phillips Screwdriver, an M.2 drive that is compatible at least with the PlayStation 5 or that is known to work with it. You have to be sure that at least it's an Gen 4 M.2 SSD. In this case, we're going to be installing this P5 Plus from Crucial with a capacity of 1 TB. One thing that I would recommend you is that you get an M.2 drive that have a heatsink into it. It's not 100% needed, but is at least recommended. This one doesn't have one, so I'm going to be installing in it an IC box for keeping your M.2 drive from overheating and maybe causing some lag in your games. What more do you need? Your PlayStation 5, of course. The first thing you're going to do is to take your PlayStation and to set it up in your table with the PlayStation logo underneath. Once you have in the table, you want to leave this corner right here that is the opposite of where your drive is, and you want to push it, and like this come out really easily. Now to install your drive, you want to open this screw right here, take out the cover, and there you can see where the M.2 drive is going to be. Once the cover is off, you're going to see that there are 4 holes, and right above that you have one screw with one spacer. Now you want to remove the screw and the spacer out, and first place your spacer with the correct size of M.2 drive that you have. Now you want to take your M.2 drive, and as you can see right here there is a notch on it. You want to align this notch with the notch on your PlayStation 5 system. Push it inside, and now you want to take that screw that you just removed before, set your M.2 drive down, and you want to tighten everything off. Sony recommended I'm going to be installing it on this system, but if you want to have the best thermal dissipation of your M.2 drive, you'd want to leave it without the cover on. Now you want to slide this in place. Again, this cover is not going to be compatible if your M.2 drive cooler is bigger than with the size of this allowed. Set your screw once more in, and now all that you have to do is to place the cover back on your PlayStation 5. You're going to find this menu right here. This is going to tell you that to use your M.2, you have to make a quick format into it. So go ahead and click into Format SSD M.2. It's only going to take a couple of seconds, especially if your M.2 is new and also have a lot of files on it. Now everything is done. Pressing OK once more, and after that is pretty much it. You are going to be able to go into the menu, move games and apps, and now you can copy or download your games into your new M.2 SSD storage. As you can see, guys, it's something really easy to do. You only need around 5 minutes and you're going to have a lot more storage in your PlayStation 5. Thanks for watching, subscribe if you haven't already, and like always, see you on the next time. Bye bye!